Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft Edge has received an update which rolled out late yesterday in my part of the world. And after the update has been applied, version and build is sitting on 138.0.3351.83. Now there's actually quite a bit going on with this update. And according to Microsoft, once again, they have fixed various bugs and performance issues for the stable channel. And they've also improved the reliability, where Microsoft says it's fixed a browser crash, which is always a good thing, that occurred when the browsing data lifetime policy was enabled. So any crash fix in my book is an important fix. And that's the official listing for the changelog for this latest point release update. So this is a non-security bug fix update. And then I have noticed one or two other changes that have also been introduced with this update. Now, a couple of days ago, I let you know about the new yellow flags that were showing up on the extensions page in Microsoft Edge. I'll leave the video for that linked because it will give you all the info, but a quick recap. These flags, according to Microsoft, are typically warnings or indicators related to extension performance and security and trustworthiness. And there were little yellow circles with a little question mark. But the problem was they were causing more confusion than the information they were trying to provide regarding the extension, because it looked like that it was a warning and there was something wrong. And I suppose if you're not a tech-savvy person, it can get you quite concerned. And then I posted after that in Edge Canary, an early preview version, they had been removed. And now with this update in my region, I have noticed that the yellow flags that were appearing for these two extensions have been removed, and that's on my Windows 10 device in Edge Stable after this update, and my Windows 11 device. So it looks like now that the removal of those yellow flags is complete across the board, which I think is a good thing. Because I did see in the comments that it wasn't received very well, and I also agree. Rather not have them than cause a lot of confusion, maybe come up with a different strategy and a different idea. But nonetheless, for now, those so-called yellow flags have been removed next to the extensions on the extensions page. And then a small little change that's been spotted after this update has been applied in the stable version is for Copilot in the side panel. So if I head to Copilot, just to show you an example, let's create a summary of this page. It'll take a second or two to respond. And then once that's finished, if we head down to the bottom, you're going to notice that the Copilot pane also now includes an option to regenerate responses in a shorter or longer format, which now seems to have rolled out with this update. So if I click on shorter, you get the idea. It'll summarize the main points, but it'll be a lot more shorter than the original. There we go. And if I do the opposite, I say longer, obviously, as the name implies, it'll give me a longer summary or a longer response depending on the question that you're asking the chatbot. So if you are using Copilot, that may be a nice move in the right direction. So although this is a minor release, according to the changelog, as mentioned, quite a lot going on outside of what Microsoft has listed, and very happy to see that for now those yellow flags have been removed. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.